come to the unboxing of the brand new DNA sparkler. So here we go. That's the DNA sparkler, fresh off the production line. The box looks modern. The product looks great. It's an Italian design. What makes it very unique is that you don't have to sparkle water. You can actually sparkle any beverage. So you can fuse flavors from fruit, from herbs, from syrups or concentrates. And all of this because of the Smart Injector Nozzle, with which you even maximize the CO2 intake, so you don't lose out on any of the gas. So let's open the DNA sparkler and have a look at the actual product. So here we go. It's quite a weighty piece of equipment because of the metallic body, so it'll sit firm and sturdy on your counter. It comes complete with a 1 liter bottle with that patented cap. So the liquid goes in here, you close the cap. Remember only to fill up to 800 milliliters and insert into the machine. So that's the bottle. There's a button on the inside. If you press, it will release the injector unit, and that is where you will add your gas cylinder. So it takes a 60 liter gas cylinder. Just turn the gas cylinder on very lightly, and it's a universal gas cylinder, so most gas cylinders you'll find in the retail stores will fit, but there will also be a DNA 60 liter gas cylinder available. So that's up to you. Add the injector unit back into the body, just slides in, and it clicks in like that. Then to add the bottle, just push it up against the injector unit, and there we go. Comes complete with an instruction manual, which is very easy, using a few pictures and talking a little bit about the safety instructions and the warranty. Comes with a 3-year warranty, which is an extra bonus, and also the DNA guarantee card. So remember to register on the DNA Health website to get your 3-year guarantee, and there's an optional gift if you write a review on the DNA sparkler. And finally, the DNA sparkler is available in 3 great metallic colors: midnight black, sparkling silver, and sun-kissed gold. In my next video, we will be demonstrating and using the DNA sparkler for the first time.